Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to transform tabulated values that could be present in Excel sheets into a string of numbers that can be represented as like bunches of x and y's that are separated by commas in specific brackets for each set of x and y values, and this can be done using R programming. I hope this helps you, and it is a very interesting thing to learn because you can use it in multiple places for plotting different specific coordinates. Why learn this trick? Because this trick can help you to plot the longitudes and latitudes that are present in maps using various softwares, or you can even use this technique to plot different x and y points, or any other number of different kind of coordinates that you have, to plot things faster using any kind of programming software tools that you have, like say Java or Python or anything which requires this kind of formatting. First, we open an Excel sheet where we have two sets of coordinates represented as x and y. Here I have put the header x new and y new. We go ahead and select this table of our interest with the x and y value. Next, we copy it. We can copy it by pressing Ctrl C. Then we go ahead and open the R program that we are going to write. So this is the R program that I am going to use. Here, if you look, we are reading the table and we have put the file as the clipboard. So whatever we are copying is copied as a clipboard, and that's what we are going to put in this P array over here, the values of the tables that are already present. So we go ahead and press this command as run. So now if we view the P table, it has this x new and y new values with the different coordinates. Now we go back to the table, and if in case of your table that you have, if there are some NA values or not accessible values, then you need to remove them. So that's why we do P, where we omit the NA values. So we do NA omit P and we run it. Now from that table we want to extract out the x values and the y values for putting them into the string. So we run this command x for x values as numbers, everything will get extracted. For y values, everything now will get extracted. And now the main command that will paste it into a string separated by comma values is this command over here, where in a new we are pasting the values of x, before which there will be a bracket that will appear. After x there will be a comma that will be appearing as a separator, and then there will be a y value present, followed by another closing bracket, and after that we are selecting this specific command collapse equal to comma, which will actually separate all these different string values of the x and y's by commas, and we are making sure that there is no extra quote included or quotation marks included in our series of numbers. So now we run this one. So now if you press a underscore new in your console, you should be able to see like the list of the numbers present here in brackets of x and y for x1 y1 comma x2 y2 comma x3 y3, so on so forth. If you want to write this into a specific text, what you need to do is you need to put it into a write.table command, where you will put the specific string of the elements that you had created initially. That will be, in my case, a underscore new. Then you put the file name. You can put it as anything, say coordinates.txt, and then you make sure that there is no row names or columns provided in your text table that is being created, and then you make sure that there are no quotations marks that apparently would appear in your final table. So then what you need to do is you need to go over here and then press run. So this would write the new table. The final output of the text file should look something like this in the slide that I have presented over here. So you will have values of x and y separated by commas inside parentheses or brackets separated by commas as well. So you would have x1, y1 in a bracket separated by x2, y2 using a comma, and then x1 y1 is reported followed by x2 y2 followed by x3 y3 till the end of numbers that you have. If you find this video useful, please make sure to like this video and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.